Okay, so we is working on putting on base 44 a little more intelligence, if you know what I mean. So basically, it does have its own um, it does have its own LLMs, but we added a OpenAI one. For this build, I am trying to give me a minute. Other business pops up. That's a good option. That is a good option. You want $15 each. It is 45 brand new. The guy was doing business with he was SP22. This is 15. Okay, that is $750. Anyhow, so let's get back to where we at, where we were, and all that kind of stuff. I guess this can be smaller. So what we're trying to do is trying to see in this. Um, I hate that stuff. Trying to see in this if the LLM can recognize photos. So we got cut out for us is a set of list, a set of tests, a list of tests, and we're gonna try to test it. So let's test it. So one, and I actually tested the first one. You see over here the broken window. As you can see, I'll bring the phone back up. My cursor in the phone. You can see it's right there. And it says thanks for describing the photo. And if you go into the actual other side of it, you can see that it's this is the conversation. Nothing's classified. See the other engine of it. I actually don't need this anymore. You can see the trail and all that stuff. But I'm actually curious if I do running AI, what it would actually look at all this and what it would say. Essence provide the detailed description of the problem. Please describe the issue. Extensive photo description by the tenant. Since photo did not describe the issue. Photo received but not the content alone. But if I will take this, throw it in here. I have one hand my phone and my mouse. Engine events. Let's go for the image. You could see that the image was interpreted. Central safety hazard due to broken glass. The windows cracked and shattered glass pieces. So it does have that information. Question is, why didn't it feed it back? That is the question. Everything is null. Everything is null. And you can see here for observation summary, the windows cracked, shattered glass pieces on the seal, as you can see. Cracked window, multiple visible fractures, shattered glass pieces. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing, but it's 0.90% adjusted follow-ups, not briefing code. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing, but why in the hell, thanks to the photo, did this not understand? Needs attention. So somewhere between the engine, which is the code entities, um, and the AI, okay, and the governance. Where's the governance? I had a governance. Do so. Doc, that's not weird. Is it hell? It currently is. Let's look it up. Cover. Functions. Governance from layer must enforce. Vision describes what is visibly different. Where's the actual doc? I thought I had like a documentation on it. That may be an issue. Let's see what Git can tell us. Yeah, I don't get stuff like that. What do you mean? No. I want to see if this has a doc. This has a doc. It's called governance. It doesn't. That is strange. I think my repo in the personal local does have it. Let's see. Allow me to see, and I will tell you. Flow base docs. Strange, I can find it. Very strange. Yeah, I know you know more stuff. You have to look for it. Where? I can't understand what you're typing. From there must enforce governance. Yes, that's governance. Governance rule. Govern rule. Govern from there. Okay. Anyway, so we see something is disconnected here. Something is disconnected. So we're gonna go to the second test. Our second test is water flooding photo. The question is, do I have a water flooding photo? Okay, doing a request. Start request. Drink coffee. Put down coffee. And I'm just going to put that photo on. I think I'm gonna choose this photo, and let's see what it does. I'm supposed to review it and do animation and all that and actually work, but I'm not worried about that. Even though just after reviewing, if it's pulsing, it should stay dynamic over here. That's one. And when I go out and come back in, it should also stay as is. But as you see, this one does. Yo, this rhythm is gonna kill me one day, yo. Keep adjusting it and making sure there's not a million freaking calls. And it just keeps on freaking breaking every goddamn time. This is some people I know would call that some bullshit. That's what they call that. Which out the hell. Just bullshit. There's the console. Let's see. Look at all these 429s. Now it's going, but this is crazy. 106, 138 requests. How many requests do I need? I just want to open one damn freaking card. Yeah, one damn freaking card. Let's open this one damn freaking card. Some say hard reset. Some say look at this. Insane. Insane. I don't have it open anywhere else, but that doesn't even matter. Why would you say that? Who cares if it's open somewhere else? It's supposed to handle this. I have 17, too many requests. Look at these requests. Insane. What are you looking for? This is what I'm looking for here. It's just sitting here in the database. One table. Two. It didn't reach other ones. Three. It didn't get to here. This has nothing to do with it. It's just right there. I know what is it you're looking for so hard? What is it? What is it? What is it that you're looking for so hard? Let's see. Open. Look at this shit. What bridge? What? Message just there. Exceeded. The rate was exceeded, yo. It just exceeded. That's it. That's all it is. It just goddamn exceeded. You go here and it works. And I come back here and it works. If I go in here, it used to work, if you remember the beginning of the video. But this, absolutely like that, does not want to flow itself out, meaning I close it, close this, close this, close this. Not that it helps. Just let it calm down. Let it get back to normal. It just doesn't get back to normal. I told you this coffee is not good. What did I say? That's not the coffee. It was the peanut butter or the coffee? Yeah. It just doesn't care. That's too hard to say. That's what he's doing. Or just soft. I don't care. Oh, doesn't have problems suddenly. Oh, it does have a few problems. Even. Okay. So what you see here, you see the picture. And we're looking on the right vendor request, and we'll connect you shortly. So we went up to the engine where it says review vendor, because that's basically where this is up to when it comes to this stuff, right? Let's again, it's a million errors. What's the issue here? So let's see classification, plumbing, water leak, emergency. This didn't pop up. So why did this picture get noticed and the other didn't? That's a good question. I'm going to have to resolve this again because it doesn't stop. It shouldn't be asking this many times. Like I don't know what's still asking right now. Why is it asking stuff from here? What's like going on? Look at all these problems here. It's insane. Look at all these breaches. It does have a plumber. I don't know what a roofer is doing here, but I can't even go that far yet. It did get a record as plumber, and this is not automated, so we'll just assign. We'll just assign plumber. Send the email automation, all that kind of stuff. So this is not bad for interpreting. We can look into it more, but I want to go through all the tests, and I don't want to make this a long video. Yeah, Matt told me about that. I gotta look it up. You're right. Yeah, Matt knows what he's doing. Is it going on or it's not going on? I already signed it, so it's going. It's not going. What's going on here? It's not. It's not going. Let's go back. See if anything happened. It did pop up. Pop up. Did it pop up? I don't know. The tenant received the message yet. I don't see that going on over here because that's supposed to be together. I believe that's supposed to be together in photo. Let's see. Building a content. Vendor rule. I don't know which MD I'm looking for to tell you the truth. Something else. Let's see. Also something else. That's what I'm up to. I'm doing these tests right here. I want to be done with this. I want to go to 25 already. V25, which is there. We have the rules and regulations. So let's see. Let's see if I got it. I didn't get a notification, so this did not even do everything it's supposed to do. Why there's no notification? Yeah, Matthew is not available on a computer these days. I mean, someday. So next collab is gonna be in a while. It's gonna take a minute. Okay, so this did one step, but it didn't do the other step where it will automatically send a message here. I don't know why. Truly don't. Because that's what's supposed to happen. Message goes in, message goes out, whatever. Anyways, in progress. I did not receive a message. That's something I'll look up soon because it's supposed to work. That's something that is already hard coded. So no notification got. Let's go for the next test. Obvious mold photo. Put in a request. And we'll throw in a photo. Obvious mold photo only. Don't yell at me. I said, don't, I said. I actually want to play this. Let's see what's going on with this. I play that. I have to play that. Okay. I'm wondering how loud it is. Let me play. This is happening. We'll see. How that sounds. Overwhelming. We'll be back. Like that. Okay, so what's going on with this? Look on the right vendor for your request. So the story is what I did not do, I did not set it up in auto, so that's why that didn't work. It seems like an auto does a lot more. It also could be because of the 429 error that a lot of this stuff doesn't go smooth. Because it just keeps on requesting too many damn things, and I don't know why. So we'll just run through these tests and then we'll just fix all that and come back. But as of now, ignore this one. We'll do a hard reset actually. Yeah, I know. Let's see. So this is going to assign to all fixed repair appliance technician, which doesn't make any damn sense. Is there anything that has to do with mold? I don't think I have something here yet. Let's just see if the other thing works. It has to be the limit, just for the hell of it. This is supposed to auto refresh as well, so you can see that actually working. It's already there, it's already worked, but I don't see it working, so go back and out and in to see that it had worked. And as you know, it didn't. See, that refresh I like only when it actually throws the message on. Only then and then only. Only then and then only. You see me? Anyhow, let's do this quick. I don't have time to waste. Here's that. Take a break and throw some. Take a break and throw what is this? Didn't I? I was doing some Instagram stuff. Where the hell did it go? Oh, okay. Let's delete that instant. Let's delete that damn instant. I'll tell you that much. No, let's keep it. Okay, so here you see that this sent out a message. It did go through the right thing. It did do the right thing. I just, it's the rate limit that's messing everything up. You can see notification over here, and you can see that message. Vendor signed. See, the vendor signed did stay static. It didn't automatically run because it wasn't set on auto, but now set on auto, so it should be good. So it is good. So our last test, we have two more tests. We'll try to run through it as quickly as possible. So the new request, and I'll do start request. I have to get better at some of the photos. So that's why some of it is getting taken off. You see, you see my, yeah, my fear. My sema. Blurry bad photo. Don't pay attention to that. None of that makes sense. None of that makes sense. None of that makes sense. I don't have that photo, but there's something a little blurry that has text and blurry. Let's see what that would look like. To make it quick, here it is. Open it up. Here it is. And it does not know what this is. Thanks for the photo. Please describe. Yes. Okay. That's a good thing. We see that reviewing thing that has to be reviewed and over with. As in V24.2. Moving on. The applications label photo. So let's see. We're gonna do that one. We'll do the same photo like this, but not blurred, so we can see what actually happens. Open this up. Go over here. Choose photo. Refresh this real quick. Throw it on. Let's see what happens now. Maintenance request 1532. Applications coming up. Reviewing started. Auto vendor finding a vendor. I don't know why I didn't go through a couple steps. Pest protection, bro. Any pesting, yo. This is some bullshit. This is some bullshit. Because look, it didn't enrich anything. It decided that this is a pest control rodent. Can you tell me why? Like what? Okay, so here's our answers. We're gonna answer them. All of this, big problem. I'm going to work on it and be back. Thank you very much. That's crazy.